Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the basics of fruit tree grafting in just 1 minute. You'll need a sharp grafting knife, pruning shears, and grafting tape. Sterilize your tools to prevent disease. Select a healthy rootstock and a scion with viable buds. The scion should be dormant. We'll use a whip graft. Make matching sloping cuts on both the rootstock and scion. Align the cambium layers. That's the green layer just under the bark. Secure tightly with grafting tape, making sure the graft union is covered. Place the grafted plant in a sheltered spot, away from direct sunlight and strong winds. Keep the graft union moist but not waterlogged. In a few weeks, you'll see new growth. Grafting can be fun and rewarding. Try it yourself and enjoy your own custom fruit trees. Don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips